What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a minute since we posted anything about the tune, so I thought today maybe we could do a quick POV for you guys to give you kind of like the driving experience of being tuned and even the new sounds that you'll hear with like the new pops and burbles. So I haven't started the car, so let's do a quick cold start for you guys. So I'm gonna set up the gear real quick and then we'll get going. All right, so everything's ready to go, so we're out. Before we get going, if you haven't smashed that like button already, make sure you do that real quick. It takes about a second and it helps out a lot with the videos. And if you haven't subscribed, like, what are you doing? Just do it real quick. Okay, so we have a situation. I just realized that I had this thing on my head for no reason because I completely forgot to hit record. Kind of sucks. I'll probably just have this footage and then the exhaust one then, because I unfortunately forgot. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you leave a like. It really helps out with the videos on the channel. And leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any content. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one later.